Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial where we talk how to manage the suggest your account to others option on TikTok. So let's go to this app, and right now to get access to the needful customizations, let's tap on the three lines at the top of the screen and choose settings and privacy option. After, you need to tap on the privacy and go to the suggest your account to others section. Amazing, right now you can smoothly control this feature, and if you want to be recommended, for example, people from your contacts, Facebook friends, people that for example have mutual connection with you, or people who usually send some links to you, let's tap on the toggle opposite to make this switch green and activate this option. In the same way, you can smoothly control all of the features, and if you want to disable them, if you don't want to be recommended, let's disable after tapping on the toggle again and making it gray. Later, to save all of the changes, let's tap on the arrow and go to your profile page. Don't forget to refresh and also check the result. After going to the same settings and checking if all of the customizations was smoothly saved. Guys, don't forget about the likes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and also on TikTok, HardReset.Info. Goodbye, good luck.